This is a video for parents and guardians who would like to get access to their child's information by using the Brightspace online learning platform. The website that you're going to go to is tdsbelearningontario.ca. You can also Google Brightspace TDSB. Once you do that, you're going to the first link that says Brightspace, tdsbelearningontario.ca, and then you're going to arrive back at this main page. The next thing you want to do is you want to click on Parents Guardians Login. At the moment, if you haven't signed up, you need to sign up now so that you can get access to your child's information. What you're going to do is you're going to enter the email address on file of your child's school, and then you're going to press Send Verification Code, and the code will be sent to your email. When creating a password, you must have 8 to 16 characters and at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one or more special characters. Then you're going to input your child's student number that is on file at the school. And then you'll be typing postal code that is on file at the school. When you're done, you want to click on I agree to the terms used. If you like to read it more carefully, you can click on this link. If you're still struggling, you can scroll up a little more and you can watch to the tutorial that the TDSB has provided. When you're done, you're going to click on Create. Once you create, you're done, you're going to have a welcome message, and then you're going to go back to Parent Sign In Login. Once you click on it, put in your email address and the password. Here's an example what you might see for parents viewing. You'll see upcoming work, recent grades, portfolio items, announcements, but also any outstanding work. Just know that if you would like to see your student's work, you can ask your student to log in. They will be using their email and also their password. Here's an example of a Brightspace that you can see a typical toolbar. You'll see content, which is where the topics of the lessons will be found, discussions and assignments and quizzes. It is really important for you to look at the information that is provided, but also you can see the announcements that teachers do post for your child. So if you have more than one children in the TDSB, you have access to also their own Brightspace if their teachers are also using the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions.